Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable turn on and turn off dark mode on Cash app, iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. And from here you scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on this, and from here you scroll down and tap on per app setting, and from here add any one app store and tap on app store, and after that you guys can see add many apps. What you need to do is tap on Cash app, and from here scroll down and tap on smart inverter. Tap on this, and from here turn off. Go back and open your Cash app. You guys can see, go back and tap on turn on. Go back, you guys can see, turn off. You guys can see. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.